Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Friday. It's the 4th of November, 4th day of the month, 5th day of the week, and we've had a really good green day. Oh, have we had a really good green day? It's a $20,000 day, so 4 times goal. So how have we managed that? Well, we actually have a poor accuracy record in terms of trade accuracy today. We had 2 losers, 1 winner. We started off, we traded PKBO, and that goes under the ticker, I like it as PKBO, but PKBO. I don't know why I'm thinking PKBO, but it's PKBO. And we traded that pre-market. We scalped it fairly quickly for $2,000. We went in a little bit later, gave it a little bit back, so we were just under $2,000 coming into the bell. We traded Alcoa and we traded Centage. Both went against us after the bell, and then PKBO or PKBO started to make a move back up. It had sold off since we traded it pre-market. It sold off hard, pretty much lost all its gains from when we traded it, and then it started to make its move up. It was below the VWAP, made a move up above the VWAP. We got in on the pullback, and then the first candle that makes new highs, and we rode it up into a halt, took some profits. It gapped up, we added to our position into another halt, gapped up again, we took some more profits, and when it started to kind of stall out, we exited it, and that was a $19,000 up on the day with that. We traded it a little bit later. It started to get a bit choppy. We managed to get $25,000 up on the day. We were 28,000 up on PKBO, and then we got caught in a flush down, and we gave $5,000 back. And I thought, okay, it didn't. I thought it might bounce. It didn't. So, well, it did actually bounce, but not quite to the levels I expected it to. So we didn't trade it any further. I think that's pretty much done now. I'll show you the chart. I'll show you where we finished on the day, and you can see for yourself. So, pre-market, PKBO. We got in. This started to make its move up. We saw that it had a catalyst, and it made its move up. It pulled back, and that's what we were looking for. The initial move up, the first pullback, and then as it made new highs, kind of bounced on the VWAP, if you will. As it started to make a move back up again, we got in there for the break of $7 and rode that up. We took some profits, very quick scalp, say almost $2,000 there. Then we traded a little bit up here when it was getting a bit choppy, and it just didn't break out. I was hoping it would break $8 and move on to new highs, go parabolic, if you will. It didn't, so we exited the position there. We were just under $2,000 up on that. We did trade Centage, and we lost money on that, and we traded Alcoa, which is an aluminium mining stock, and then we went back to PKBO. So PKBO started to make this move up here, just at the bottom of just an hour into the market, broke back above the VWAP, pulled back, and that's when we got in here as this made new highs. So we were able to get in here. We didn't get on this one, and this was the pullback, and we got in here as it made new highs. Rode it up into a halt, then we held the position as it gapped up. 5 minutes later, it then moved up into another halt. We added to our position here as we made new highs, added to our position, effectively doubled our position from 5,000 to 10,000 shares into another halt, up to the top, and then we took some profits up at the top here. That was $19,000 trade. If you include the two sections. So this was $17,000 trade, and the previous $2,000 that we got. It did move back up into another halt here. I missed it, and then when it started to pull back, I was like, okay, next candle makes a new high, we'll get in. We did try that here, and it pulled back, so we got out. So we lost a little bit there. Then a little bit later, we took the dog for a walk. A little bit later, I'll just kind of zoom out so we can see the patterns here. We've got a double bottom formation on the 5 minute. We've got the double bottom here, and then it started to make its move up. So I was looking at this, and I got this move up. I got in here, faked out, lost a little bit, and then this is where I managed to get some goodness on this a little bit later. So we got in here, we were able to ride that up, and then as it pulled back, we got in here and we were able to get up to this. At this stage, we're about $28,000 up. I'd taken position, taken some size off. It pulled back here to $10. I had 5,000 shares still in there. We're $28,000 up on this this ticker at this stage, and it flushed down. I've got a stop in place, mind you. So I have got a stop in place. I think I had 20-cent stop. So we're at $10, and it flushed down hard, and I lost 90 cents on that. So I got lots of slippage, and then it flushed into a hole. So I got out 9.10, and we're up there from $10 to 9.10 is where we exited, and it went into a downwards halt. I did look for a bounce. We got a quick bounce there, but obviously not able to take that. I looked for a bounce, fill the gap as it were, but it didn't. So it then started to sell off, and it is selling off now. It's kind of broke the VWAP. So I'm done with that. Over $23,000 up on this this ticker on the day. $20,000 up across the board on the day. A really good day's trading. Not only did we cover off the drawdown from Wednesday, we only need $500 to cover off the drawdown from Wednesday. If I think it's the 4th of the month, we made $29,000 in 4 days on the month. So we're ahead of goal. We're ahead of the curve. I did record the this trade as well. Well, what I'll do is it got a bit choppy, so I'm not going to show you all where it all choppy and in and out. But what I'll do is I'll show you the clean move here. I'll show you the clean move pre-market, and I'll show you the clean move here. And together, that's the guts of $20,000. So absolutely enjoyed trading this today. I'll be back at it again on Monday. 90 minutes before the market opens. If we're in North America, just remember that the clocks go back this weekend. And so I'll be back at it at 8 a.m. market time, so New York, East Coast. That's going to be 1 p.m. in the UK and Ireland, 2 p.m. on the continent of Europe. So back to the regular hours where I'm based, because the US is going to be catching up with daylight saving. And remember to put your clocks back if you're in the US, otherwise you're just going to be late to the party. So come join me Monday morning. We'll be trading live again for the last 90 minutes of the pre-market, the first hour of the open, and hopefully I'll see you there. Remember to give this this video a thumbs up, smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you want to get notified when I'm going live as well. Enjoy this this trade replay. I've basically all I've done is I've cut out the trade halt, so you're not just sitting around watching the paint dry whilst it halted. There's a whole bunch of volatility halts on this here, so I've cut out the trade halts. Enjoy the trade replay, and I'll see you on Monday. Catch you later. Enjoy your weekend. All right, okay, so PKBO announces the closing of up to 100 million common stock purchase transaction with White Lion. See if we can't test the high. 10, 20 cent spreads. Just lock that in. Quick scalp for 1,800 bucks. Nice. Like that. Oh, stop, Tony. You're going to have a heart attack. Volume's coming in as well. and at 99. Oh, bit of a resistance at $8. Coiling under $8. We need to break $8 here. My left eye is all blurred, by the way. Yeah, there potentially is a rug pull going to happen, but we'll see. And we break $8. That's the question. Tap it one more time. We're up at 80. We're up at 780s right now on the ask. Let's take half off there. Range on this is good. 54-cent range, ATR. Go figure. Is it going to break $8? That's the question. That's my question. Testing it. Just reduce the exposure a little bit, lock in a few more bits and pieces. It breaks $8, we could probably get a nice flush up, nice pump up before a fast pullback. So that's something that I'm a little conscious of. You know, I'm just going to get out there. I'll take the $2,000. So we're up 2,000 to start off with. That's not a bad start before the bell. $0.50. Okay. How far can this go? What's the halt level? 687. Oh, shit, I missed that. Went all the way up. 690. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 3,000. We're going to break $7. We're just going to take half off there. Just locked in $4,000. Absolutely. We're over $7. And put I didn't want to do. How did I do that? Oh well, I must have done that by accident. I'll sell that and then a little bit more. 707 is the halt level. It halted. Yeah, it halted. I'm halted. I'm halted. I'm halted. Okay. Into another halt. Wow. That's good. That's good stuff. Managed to double up. Off. $19,000.